How to redeem Disney Plus code. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So if you have got yourself a physical subscription card from a Disney store, in your preferred browser, head over and type in disneyplus.com/redeem. Enter the redemption code in the available field and select on the option of redeem. After that, you can log in into your Disney Plus account and start streaming. If you have got it from a Target store, you need to head over to mysubcard.disneyplus.com. Then you need to enter the subscription card number, the unique PIN, and your email address. Select on the Retrieve Code option. After that, you can click on Redeem Your Subscription, then start streaming in your Disney Plus. If you have a digital subscription, open up the email that contains your subscription card, then select on Redeem Your Subscription option. With a simple click, you'll be able to now enjoy the perks of the Disney Plus code. So that is how you can easily redeem your Disney Plus code, even if it is digital or physical. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.